Good morning. This is chapter 1 of class 6, Knowing Our Numbers. Exercise 1, first bit, fill in the blanks. First question is 1 lakh is how many 10,000? We'll write 1 lakh and equate it with 10,000. From this we can know how many 10,000s will make 1 lakh. By this we can conclude 10 10,000s will make 1 lakh. Is 1 million is how many 100,000? These two are in international system. We'll first write 1 million is how much? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. We have wrote million. When will be it equal to 100,000? We'll then write 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Right? So when they will be equal, when tens or 100,000s will make 1 million. So answer is 100,000. Next question is 1 crore is how many 10 lakhs. So these two are in Indian system. We'll write first 1 crore is how much? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now we'll write 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So how many 10 lakhs will make 1 crore? By this we can say that 10 lakhs will make 1 crore. Next question is how many 1 crore will make 10 lakh. Next question is how many millions will make 1 crore. This is in Indian system, this is in international system. We'll write 1 crore is how much? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. And now we'll write here millions, which is in international system. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So in 1 crore we'll have 7 zeros, and in 1 million we'll have 6 zeros. So 10 millions will make 1 crore. By seeing this two, by comparing this, we can say 10 millions will make 1 crore. Next question is how many lakhs will make 1 million. This is in international system, this is in Indian system. First we will write millions, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, and lakh will have 5 zeros. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So by comparing this, we can say that 10 lakhs will make 1 million. Now we'll go for second bit of exercise 1.1, and the second bit is place commas correctly and write the numerals. These are given in words. We have to write the numerals for this. First of all, we have to understand this basic concept of Indian system and international system. This should be clear, and this should be learned by the students. So in Indian system it will be ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It will be like this. And in international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. After learning this, we'll go for the numerals. So writing numerals for the words. The first question is 73 lakh 75,307. It is saying lakh, so it is in Indian system. For beginner students, I'm making this easy so you don't lose any marks. Generally, students lose marks in this. I'm teaching ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we'll write 73 lakh, 73 lakh, and then 75,000, 75,307. Placing commas will be like in Indian system 3, 2, 2 for hundreds, thousands and lakhs. Next question is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. This is also in Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore. It is asking us 5 lakh. So it will not be in place of 10 lakh. It will be in place of lakhs. 5 lakh. Then 41. 41. So remaining places will have 0. 10 lakhs place, 10,000 place, thousands place and 100 place. Question is 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. This is Indian system. It is saying 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. Placing commas for hundreds group, thousands groups, lakhs group. Or you can go in Indian system as 3, 2, 2 like this. Next question D1, 58,423,202. This is in international system. So we'll write place value chart of international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Now 58 million, okay, 423,000, okay, 202. So commas will be like for 100 groups, for 1000 groups and for million group. It will be like that. Or so from right side for 3 places, then 3 places, then 3 places. Next question is 23 lakh 30,010. So this is in Indian system. So we'll write place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 23 lakh, then 30,000, okay, then 10. This empty space will have 0 for 100 groups, comma, for 1000 group, comma, like this. Next question is third bit. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. We have to follow Indian system of numeration and place comma and write the number names. So